talk about the cleansers and share my honest thoughts with you guys and what worked for my dry acne prone skin and what didn't. And some of the cleansers here actually made it worse. So let's start with my first favorite ones. The one that my skin it's been really good for my dry skin. So this one from Isentry, the Yam Root Vegan Milk Cleanser, is my absolute favorite. It is actually almost finished. I can't see. Maybe you can see, like, I'm down to the bottom of this, and this has been very good for, especially for winter, for my dry skin. And I use this in the morning. It takes off the skincare from nighttime really well, and my skin feels like really soft, baby smooth soft, and it's almost finished. So this is like a milk consistency, and then it goes like this. It melts into your skin. So yeah, it melts in just like that, and then I'll just wash it. So this has been really good for this winter for me. I tried it the first time and I really like it. It leaves the skin so soft and smooth, to be honest. And then the Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser, I have been using this for years, like over a decade now. I know it was a different logo, a little different looking before than this one. So I've been using this one for years. You know, many of us already probably tried it. Or so this, you know, goes like that, and it is very gentle, non-irritating. It's very good for irritated skin, you know. So yeah, it goes just like that. So yeah, I washed my hand. It's very gentle, very hydrating, great for sensitive acne prone skin like me. At first I was used to the foaming cleansers and I thought it's not cleaning my face well, but after some time you get used to it. And like I said, I've been using this for over a decade now, so a very long time. I don't even remember how many bottles of this I've gone through. So yeah, that's my favorite cleanser that it suits really well for my dry acne prone skin. And then the Cerave Hydrating, this one is brand new. I have not tried it yet. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like similar to the Cetaphil one, but I have not tried this one yet, but I think it is gonna be really good for also dry acne prone, you know, skin. Cerave is also a good brand. Recently I got this one from Aveeno. I bought mine from Target. They sell it, you know, on Amazon and everywhere. I got this because of it has oats in it, and it helps with the redness. I've actually been enjoying this one as well. Since my Isentry one is almost finished, I would love to repurchase that because it's my absolute favorite and it's great, but it's kind of a little bit on the expensive side for me. A little goes a long way, so I only use 2 pumps of this, and it is actually soothing on the skin, probably because of the oats. Oats is a really good ingredient, and it's very gentle, and you can feel the cooling or soothing effect on your skin. So yeah, I just massage it in for like a minute on my face and then wash it. It does leave your skin hydrated for sure. I can feel the hydration after using both of these. This foam cleanser from Heimish, and I've been really enjoying this during the summer, but in winter, since I have dry skin, it does tend to be a little bit drying on the face. Like when you wash it off, the face feels like not squeaky clean, but like kind of like squeaky clean. I'm not sure how to explain it, but the skin feels a little bit tighter after using this in the winter, but during the summer it was perfectly like fine. It does not leave your skin dry after washing your face in the summer. So I will leave this for summer, and it comes out like this in a gel form, and it lathers pretty well. So I rub it in my hands and then apply it on my damp face, and then I just wash it. And it does foam. Yeah, it foams pretty well. So it's a really good face wash, but for me, especially just for summer, or sometime if I'm double cleansing, I would go with this balm and then that. All right, and then moving on to this Anua, which I started using it in the summer, and I've only used a little bit of it. At first it did work great, taking the gunk out of my nose pores and the pores on my cheeks and my nose, but it actually gave me allergic reaction recently, so I've stopped using this. I'm even afraid to put it on my hand and do the demonstration. I don't know, it's just overhyped product, or maybe it just didn't work for my skin. I know everybody has different skin. What might work for others doesn't work for me, which in this case, like I said, in the summer it was fine, but it's so odd. Like my skin had a allergic reaction to it. I showed that in my morning skincare routine. If you look at that video, my skin got super red, and it's very hard to get the redness away. If you guys know of any good product to get away the redness, please let me know in the comments below, because I've never had issues with redness on my face, but recently I've been getting a lot of redness on my face. So I am not going to be using this, unfortunately. It did not work for me. And this Cetaphil Healthy Radiance, now I don't use all of them at once. Like currently I'm using this in the morning, this one throughout the later in the day. I do have to wash off my skincare within 4 to 5 hours because I have to pray and make wudu, so I leave only my skincare, the morning one, to 4 to 5 hours. So this one, I double cleanse, so I use the cleansing balm first, and then this oats one as of right now currently, and this one is in the morning. And then this one is empty, almost empty. I'm no longer using this. It does say that it helps with dryness, irritation, roughness, tightness. It's an exfoliant cleanser. It reduces dark spots and hyperpigmentation. This is why I bought this, and it did not really help me. However, my sister tried it, and she's the one who recommended it to me. She said it worked for her with the hyperpigmentation, so I bought it. But I've used almost the whole thing, but it did not work out for me. Again, some products, everybody has different skin. So it comes out like this, gel, and it foams underwater. When you wash it, it foams. It has a very slight foam like that. And that also left my skin a bit dry after using it. Yeah, and I'm no longer using this one. I would rather just stay with gentle, calming cleansers. And then this is another one, a medicated benzoyl peroxide wash, which is a full bottle. My skin could not take this. I've used up to here, and this is just, I believe it is even expired now. Oh no, okay, it expires next year, but I don't use this anymore. Like I said, my skin does not take any medicated cleansers. Every time I try one, it just doesn't work out, and some of them gives me a reaction, really bad reaction. This one, however, didn't give me any reaction, but it dries the heck out of your skin, especially for me. Like, oh gosh, it was super drying. I know it's maybe good for oily skin people, helps clear acne pimples. It does dry out your pimples, but I no longer use this anymore. And I have also gotten this benzoyl peroxide 5% gel I was using as a spot treatment, and you can see it's a full tube. I did not use it enough. It dries out your skin way too much. And then this, I am never even touching this cleanser again. I got it on Amazon during the Prime Day sale. It had really good reviews on there. Like, it, see, I've used it only for 2 days, so it's kind of like a yellowish looking. I only used it for 2 days, and oh boy, it just messed up my skin. This messed up my skin so bad that it took me forever to recover. Like, my skin got super red, irritated. I stopped using all my actives, and I stopped using any skincare, like everything I stopped using for a good 1 to 2 weeks. Beside this gentle cleanser to cleanse my face, that's pretty much it. I think the salicylic acid just does not work for my skin. After using this, I am so afraid to try any product which contains salicylic acid, so no longer using this one. So this Neutrogena bar also I purchased. So I've been trying all these over time, not all of them at once. I got this, but it does also leave your skin dry. Like, I have this opened right here. It's clear. It had also good reviews, but I'm not able to review it yet. Like, I can't share my thoughts, except it's very drying. I will use this in the summer and see how it goes. And then lastly, I really like this cleansing balm, which replaced the Anua, and I had no reaction with this. And I recently got this from Style Korean, and I just take the scoop out onto your skin, or I mean, I put it on my hands, and then it just melts so effortlessly, so smooth, and becomes into an oil. It does have a citrusy smell to it. It does leave your skin super soft and smooth. I've tried it one time with the makeup. It does take off all your makeup in one go. It does take off sunscreen and everything. It's really good for double cleansing. These cleansers are my absolute favorite that I've tried so far. Absolute favorite. This one's also good for summer. And then I'm pretty sure I will like the Cerave one as well. It's gonna be similar to the Cetaphil. Yeah, so that's it for the cleansers. These are all great for winter and summer. I believe I could use them throughout the year. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And tell me what's your favorite cleanser if you have dry acne prone skin like me in the comments down below. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Until next time, take care.